Alright, welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we'll be learning something on Microsoft Excel, right? So rather than come here and say you want to sort all the items in column A, I'll start by saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Then the first letter right here should be the name that has Damola, then Festus. Rather than do all of that and say Damola, then say Festus, then move to what next? Ifama, then Salako and Steven. Right, you can easily use the sort function. So the sort function, just come here, do this, right, and then it sorts it for you. You don't need all of this, so you can delete from row 11 downwards. Right, I hope you'll be able to learn something. Do well to like, share, and subscribe for more insights like this. Thank you. My name is Salako Emmanuel. You can also call me Salako the Analyst. It's still fine. Thank you.